Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Now, if you haven't seen my last video where I went through, closed out my second paycheck, go ahead and check it out. I will link it up there on the right. And what I wanted to do in this video, let me move this out the way. Y'all, I have been drinking my water. I actually started drinking this water last night around, I don't know, 2 o'clock, and I'm almost finished. So what I wanted to do, let me move these over. So I wanted to show you all my calendar, and I had to write the rest of the days over here since I kind of rearranged the calendar for February. So this is all of the things that I've spent on so far. Towards the end of the month, it was pretty much no spends except for when I went grocery shopping and I spent the $80. And then let's go ahead and jump into my monthly budget. So let me zoom you guys in. Now, when it comes to my monthly budget, of course, this is going to be another quick video. So, I didn't write, well, I did write everything out over here, but when it comes to savings and, well, just savings, I didn't write everything out. So, this is what my monthly look like. Sorry about shaking the desk. So this is what it looks like, and for the total income it was $3,737.54. When it comes to offering, I did send my sister $276.76. When it comes to the bills, all the bills together did total up to $1,381.49, and everything was paid in full, of course. When it comes to savings, I was able to save $898.74 altogether for January. When it goes to back to bank, I did send a total of 300. I did not send 300 nothing. I did send $603.77 to my checking account. When it comes to fast food, I did, well, not fast food, but cash envelopes overall. So I originally planned for $520, only spent $217, and for the actual ended up being $467.78 spent. So, if we go to the back, because for some reason when I write it out on here, everything gets a little bit confusing. So, this is what I did. So, we already went over the income, which was $3,737.54. Offering, we did see where I did send $276.77. For the overall expenses, it was the same at $1,381.49. For cash envelopes, I did spend $467.78. When it comes to savings, that amount is the same for $898.74. For back to the bank, I did send $603.77 to the bank. When it comes to rollover challenge, I should have $109 once I take everything out. So, y'all. So, this money right here is for the, I definitely messed up. So, what I'm going to do is just redo this entire video. Oh my freaking goodness. So what I just realized was the money that's in these two wallets are from the second paycheck, not the first. So if we go to rollover, I should have, let's see, I should have $53 in here. So let's see, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So this is correct. $53 from the first paycheck. And the part where I had already started taking cash out, I'm going to leave that in and just add this to it. So what we want to do, since I've already took it out, so let's see how much this is. And so we have 20s, we have 5s, we have 1s. See how much this is. So this is 50. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let me just check. Okay, so all of the cash from 1 week from this wallet, from the rollover envelope that's held in here, and the first week of, well, not the first week, but the first budget of the month, all of this cash that I just took out should equal to $109. So what I'm going to do is move the wallets out of my way, and let's just count. Uh-oh, I messed up. Yeah, you know what? So why I thought that the amount should have equaled up to 103, but in reality, I just said that it equals up to $109. So this is right. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $109. See, y'all, that's why you have to recount, just to make sure that everything is correct. So for the month of January, and I should probably put a sticky note on this. I don't have a sticky note at the moment, but I have some somewhere. So I'm just going to put the month and how much this is, and then I'll put it in my rollover envelope. So this cash pretty much came from my sister and brother-in-law when they were here. They were pretty much giving me gas money. Of course, I didn't put it in the budget because that would have thrown everything off. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. So what I want to do is go over one of Hands and Bands $100 savings challenge, and I want to scratch off one or maybe two of these. Okay, so I'm not sure where my scratch off token is located. It's probably somewhere under this mess on my desk. So let's go ahead and get to scratching. What I'm going to do is scratch this one here. Thank goodness it's $5. Woo. So I may be able to scratch one more. So we have $5, and let's pick one more. So I'm going to do this one right here. Whew, I was getting a little worried. So we have another $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that just leaves me with $3 that's going back into my wallet. So I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm going to get this video edited and scheduled for, let's see, today is Thursday, so maybe Saturday or Sunday, possibly Monday. I'm not sure, but I hope you guys have a great day.